Imagine waking up one day to find that AI has taken over the world. Scary thought, isn't it? This dystopian vision has been painted in our minds through countless sci-fi movies and sensational headlines. Robots rebelling against their creators, machines outsmarting humans. It's a narrative that's been propagated time and again. But how much of this is reality, and how much of it is just sensationalism? But is there any truth to these fears? Let's dive into the world of AI. Myth versus reality. AI has been the subject of many misconceptions. Let's debunk some of these myths. One of the most prevalent myths is that AI can think and feel like humans. This is far from the truth. Artificial intelligence is not sentient. It doesn't possess consciousness, emotions, or desires. It operates based on the data and algorithms it's been fed. It doesn't daydream about a sunny beach vacation or feel the rush of adrenaline during a thrilling movie. It's all about logic, patterns, and predictions. Another common myth is that AI can surpass human intelligence in every aspect. This too is a fallacy. While AI can process data faster and more accurately than humans in certain tasks, it lacks the intuitive, holistic understanding that we humans possess. For instance, an AI can beat a grandmaster at chess thanks to its ability to calculate millions of moves per second. But ask it to comprehend the nuances of a Shakespearean sonnet or make a moral decision in a complex situation, and it falls short. AI also lacks the ability to reason morally or ethically. It doesn't understand the concept of right or wrong. It simply follows the rules set by its programming, without any inherent understanding of the implications. Furthermore, AI's capabilities are limited to the tasks they've been specifically designed and trained for. They don't have the ability to learn or understand anything outside their specific domain. An AI designed to detect fraudulent credit card transactions won't be able to help you bake a perfect souffle, no matter how much data you feed it. So while AI is incredibly powerful and has the potential to greatly enhance our lives, it's not the omnipotent, omniscient entity often portrayed in science fiction. Its abilities, while impressive, are defined and limited by its programming and the data it's been trained on. So it seems that AI isn't quite the all-encompassing superintelligence we often imagine. Why are we so afraid of AI? It's a question that's been echoing around the world with the rapid advancement of technology. At the heart of this fear, we find a couple of key factors. First, there's a widespread misunderstanding of AI's capabilities. Many of us picture a future where robots with human-like consciousness rise against us, when in reality, AI is simply a tool, operating based on the algorithms and data it's been fed, devoid of emotions or desires. Secondly, there's the concern about job displacement. With AI systems becoming increasingly sophisticated, they can automate a lot of tasks that were once exclusively human domain, leading to fears of unemployment and loss of human autonomy. It's a valid concern and one that needs to be addressed as we navigate our way into a future intertwined with AI. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI also has the potential to bring about immense benefits. AI isn't just about robots and supercomputers, it's also about improving our lives in many ways. Take healthcare, for instance. AI is revolutionizing the field, helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It's also making treatments more effective and personalized. In environmental conservation, AI is a game changer. It's helping us track wildlife populations, predict natural disasters, and combat climate change. From monitoring deforestation to predicting weather patterns, the possibilities are endless. In the world of finance, AI is helping detect fraud more efficiently, making transactions safer and more secure. It's also streamlining financial processes, saving us all time and money. These are just a few examples. The potential applications of AI are vast and varied, touching nearly every aspect of our lives. From making our work more productive to enhancing our leisure time, AI is there, quietly making things better. Knowledge is the key to understanding and embracing AI. Artificial intelligence is a tool, much like any other. Its impact on society depends on how we choose to use it. In the face of fear and uncertainty, knowledge is our greatest ally. So don't just sit on the sidelines. Engage, learn, question, and contribute to the narrative on AI. Get involved. Learn how AI can help you in your daily life. Let's embrace AI together by learning all about it right here on TechSociate. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI.